Hello, good evening. It is a very good evening, 21st July 2026. Uh, Not just for me, but for a lot of my juniors. I was an ex student in India, right? So this is like senior support coming. I love that you all have taken this to such an awesome level. And this is bravery, courage, integrity to another level, which not even many trained soldiers have. I've heard stories, war stories, where people have hid themselves in, soldiers have hid themselves in washrooms just to avoid getting deployed. So, y'all are awesome. Hats off to all you spider people. This is Miss Knight. I was born in India, brought up in India, completed all my education in India till my graduation, worked for 9 years in India, 2 months in UK. I've been in UK for the past 2 years and I'm never coming back to India, but I want to give my support to all of y'all for standing up for yourself. I left India because I wanted to stand up for myself, and it was not possible to do it from there, given my circumstances, my age, and everything. And it was a big safety risk, and I'm glad I'm here. But hats off to all of you all. It takes a lot of courage, man, to make one single choice, and you all have made so many epic choices. Keep the light going inside of you first. Take care of your health. Uh, it is a very petty thing of me to say take care of your health, but no, I mean it. I genuinely mean it. Stay hydrated. People who are going on hunger strike, um, kudos to y'all. But those who are supporting them, who cannot go on hunger strike, if you have medications, do not do that. We don't want more deaths, right? It's been a long time since something like this has got me teary eyed because that is the sense of community that I learned in India. And that's the reason I want to remain a student in UK. I'm trying to get admission for my second master's here. So fingers crossed for that. And यार ज़्यादा हो गया ना, निकल जाओ. लोन लो, जो करना करो, निकलो, बाहर पढ़ो. दुनिया तुम्हारी कदर करेगी. बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड अग्रेशन इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज द आंसर. ये गवर्नमेंट ने प्रूव कर दिया है. सो डू इट स्मार्टली. If this video anyone is listening, I have a few suggestions. It started digitally, right? तो अभी डिजिटली जितने लोग पॉलिटिक्स में ना, स्टूडेंट्स जितना लोग पॉलिटिक्स पढ़ रहा है, जाओ यार MP MLA के पोजीशंस के लिए CVs भेजना स्टार्ट कर दो. अपना CV बनाओ और भेजो. पढ़ भी रहा है ना तो इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई करो. जो भी मिलता है पॉलिटिक्स में, CV भेजो, ऑनलाइन भेजो या फिर पोस्ट करो. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? पोस्ट करो. इतना सारा डिलीवरी वाला है इधर पे, पोस्ट करो. ऑल ओवर कंट्री दिस कैन बी डन. आई एम नॉट स्टडिंग पॉलिटिक्स, बट या I don't want to either. I've seen enough. And I worked for 9 years in corporate. I've seen enough of office politics. It's just on a grander scale, smaller scale, pretty similar. But yeah, you all are studying it. Apply. Why not? What is the worst they can say? No. ठीक है. Another thing, journalism is the next pillar, is one of the pillars of democracy, right? At least Indian constitution में तो लिखा था. जब मैंने पढ़ी थी तो आई वुड से all the journalists on this platform YouTube, come together. I have followed y'all. I watch your video, all of your videos in sync, back to back. You all do a collab, 9 p.m. shows. Do that. Create your own panel. Bring these people to your panel. Create your own YouTube channel. Do a collab YouTube channel. News Laundry, Deshbhakt, Sunday Sarthak, रवीश कुमार, बरखा तात, के क्रिएटर, ओरिजिनल, कितने सारे हैं. कोलैब मैन. You all have been holding the fort anyways. Mainstream media though I don't watch. I never watched for ages now. And you all were the only connection that I kept with India. And now through your channels I'm able to see what's going on there. And I feel horrible. I don't feel privileged at all. I feel horrible. Because as I'm saying, because if I couldn't get out, I would have been there. I would have definitely been there, joined there physically. Nah. So, but I know my limits also now. I don't want to be physically there, but my voice is there wherever it reaches. I'm really proud of you, and I'm proud of myself for creating this platform to give my voice, not just an Instagram account but a YouTube channel. I want to continue my work as well. My channel is also based on honesty, lifestyle. So lifestyle, I believe honesty should be part of our lifestyle in this day and age. Come on. We are all learned, educated people. Let's behave like educated people. Protest in smarter ways. One way I was thinking of doing it is on one of my days off when I am not working, I will fast for full 24 hours and I'll give live updates in support of the protest there. I'll do it here in UK. My own on my channel, on my Insta, maybe short reels. 24 hours. Let's see how I do it. I will let you know about the dates, but yeah, this is a big thing for me as well, because I'm also trying for applying for universities here already. I want to do a master's in physics. It's already in progress, so I'm trying to set up finances for that as well. So I'm working and I'm hoping to get more jobs. But when this goes on, you know what, history is being created already. I would love to be a part of it in whatever way I can, and these videos are now there forever, digitally available. So yes, I'm proud to be part of this movement from here remotely. We all learned that during our pandemic days, didn't we? Remote support, remote work. Also take care of your mental health, guys. This is gonna be, because this kind of violence we were never used to ever. Abuse, violence, exploitation, gaslighting, sometimes literal gaslighting as well. Freaking stay away from all of that. Please save your lives. Come back again next day, but freaking save your lives. You don't need to fight every battle to win the war. There is no war here. You all are demanding it's a peaceful protest. They are calling it whatever. They are behaving that way. That is, they are educated, uneducated illiteracy showing up. Educated illiterates are also there, and uneducated illiterates are also there. And your fight is against them as well, because it's a cultural thing, and it's about your future as well. So to have good future, you need to take care. I will support it in this way. I don't know, I don't have much reach, but if it reaches, it'll be awesome. And if you all can do that as well. Do it yourself. Fast for one day. I don't want to fast on the days of my working because I'm working as a part-time cleaner. So it's a very hectic job, and I already take medication. Okay, not for weight gain. I take medication for my depression. So I have to eat. So one day in between when I'm not working, I will do 24 hours of fasting in support of you guys. And keep going, keep going, keep going. Be the light you are seeking. I now understand the meaning of it. And lead by action, so not tell. And remote support coming through. सीनियर सपोर्ट भी आ गया ठीक है लगे रहो यार इनकलाब जिंदाबाद बाय मिस नाइट साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर नाउ